back to the sports. Today we're going to be teaching you how to ride a dirt bike, and I'm here with the SS70. And if you want to be strict, SS70
CC.
Yeah.
All right. So, throw your helmet on.
We're going to be teaching you how to start it.
Okay.
Start it. Neutral?
Yep. So what's it got to be in for you to start your bike?
It has to be in neutral, but on this it has to be all the way up. Not
all the way up.
All the way up.
Yep.
Not all the way down.
All right.
Now I'm going to try to ride. So it has to be in first gear to go. So now you put this foot down over here, and then you have this one on. So then you pull that back, and then whenever you feel comfortable going, you put your leg up, so like this.
Kill it.
Kill switch?
Yep.
Okay. So this is how you turn it off with one of these. See that red button? You hold it down.
Cool.
And then I might need to use that. Guys, like, if you guys don't know, don't like do this whenever it's not on, because it would like flood you, like he'll flood it, and then you have to turn it on, wait a few minutes, maybe seconds, and then you couldn't do it. Like you have to wait until you ride it. And then hold my helmet, Dad. And if you can't get one of these on, there's a kill switch down, whatever it's called, down there that you just turn on.
Choke.
Right there. You have to be that all the way down?
Yep.
So you have to be that all the way down. And then right here is your gas.
A little tight.
A little tight.
Gas goes in there.
Wait, hang on. How much gas do I have left?
You got some gas.
Yeah, a lot of gas actually. And put the camera to like yesterday while I was riding on.
Some slow-mo jumps?
Yeah.
All right, we'll put that in here.
Yeah. But like whenever you're leaning to turn, like lean this way a little, like hang on, like this.
Yeah, lean with your turns.
Yeah, lean with your turns a little.
So if you want to turn left, lean. Well, that's your right. I'm sorry. Lean with your left. If you want to turn right, lean right. Cool?
Cool.
Let's show them some turns.
Yeah. Wiped out. My bad, guys. Always wear all your gear at all times. I'll show you what happened. Where is it?
Put your head up. Put your head up. got a nice little shiner there. He just we made too sharp of a turn, and his bike digged into the dirt, and his handlebars came over and just got him a little bit. So
Yeah.
we'll put some ice on it. I don't
I'm not
think it's
broke.
So I'm just gonna ice it down, but that's why you always gotta wear your gear, even if you're only going out.
Wait, is it broke?
No, it might be. I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna say.
I'll show you the clips that I ramped. I was at my buddy's house.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks for watching.
See.
Sports.